In this video, we will learn how to lock a folder in Windows 11 step by step. So let's get started. You can see currently I am on the desktop screen of my laptop. Here you need to create a new folder. To create a new folder, right click, then click new and click folder. Now you can name this folder as files. Now you need to place the content inside this folder which you want to lock. For the demo purpose, I will add the images inside this folder. Now open this folder. You can see there are 3 images inside this folder. You can place any content you want to lock. Now right click inside this folder, then click new, then choose text document. Now open this text document and paste the following snippet. I will provide this code in the video description. Now you need to look for the following part which says your password and make sure to replace it with your own desired password. I will give it a simple numbers password. Finally, click File, then choose Save As. From Save As type, choose all files and give the file name as locker.bat. Then save. Now close this file and go back. Here, make sure to delete the text file and keep the locker file. Now double click the locker.bat file. You can see the locker folder was created. Now you need to choose your files and place them inside the locker file. Now again double click the locker.bat file. This way it will show you the following prompt which says, "Are you sure you want to lock the folder?" Type Y and enter. Now our folder is locked. To open it, you need to double click this file. Now it asks you to add the password which you had selected in the code. So I will enter my password. You can see the folder has been unlocked. Now I can access it easily. That's it. This is how you can lock a folder in Windows 11 easily. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.